When you have piles, there are way too many worries to care for. The discomfort, itching, swelling, shedding and so on could be really serious and also upset your daily lifestyle. Fortunately, there are various natural remedies that you could adopt to aid healing your painful hemorrhoids, and garlic is one of them. Garlic, a cheap and easily available household cooking ingredient, is in fact an all-natural treatment right from home that could aid in dealing with hemorrhoid discomfort as well as the swelling itself. Garlic possesses strong anti-inflammatory property in nature and likewise comes with antibacterial feature that assist in protecting against further infection when you have piles. Use 4 cloves of garlic and boiled it together with 2 mugs of water. Simmer for 10 minutes and make use of the solution for washing your rectal area. The water could possibly cause some sting to your anus location, but it can certainly quickly ease your pile's swelling and eliminate the discomfort too. Aside from garlic remedy, you should also go for aloe vera gel to heal your hemorrhoids. You can make use of pure aloe vera plant sap and apply it to your inflamed piles. This will offer you some alleviation from the discomfort as well as the itchiness. You could easily purchase the aloe vera plant from many grocery shops. This treatment is very easy, affordable and offers swift effect. Yet another all-natural remedy that you can adopt will be the use of some witch hazel on your piles. This organic treatment could assist to remove the swelling and address any hemorrhaging. Sitz bath, which makes use of your available bathtub from your home, can assist to ease the pain and discomfort triggered by your hemorrhoids. Just fill 3/4 of a bathtub with some cozy water. After which, relax and rest your lower body in the water for 10 to 15 minutes. Attempt this treatment 3 times daily if you can. Of course, go on an all-fruit diet regimen for 2 to 3 days. Will have an amazing effort in healing any varicose capillaries. After which, stay on a well-balanced diet plan that consists of grains, seeds, nuts, raw veggies as well as fresh fruits will ensure that you are free from hemorrhoids distress.